Hello, everyone. My name is Alex Reed, and I'm the past president of the Southwest Louisiana Young Lawyers section. The local Young Lawyers section received the quarterly Shining Star Award for the Law Day ceremony that we held last year. As I'm sure many of you know, the American Bar Association hosts an annual Law Day on May 1st of each year. Every year has a different theme. The 2019 theme was Free Speech, Free Press, Free Society. Unfortunately, the 2020 Law Day ceremony was canceled locally due to COVID-19, but the theme this year was Your Vote, Your Voice, Our Democracy. The Law Day ceremony is attended by many attorneys at the local bar, most of the judges in a 3-parish area, and many students and their families. The Law Day ceremony provides numerous ways for young lawyers to get involved. For our local events, the Young Lawyers section is responsible for running the entire event. In 2019, the mayor of Lake Charles was the master of ceremonies. Numerous awards are given out. Specifically, there's a law enforcement award for our local law enforcement officer that is recognized for standout work in the community. There's an Inns of Court Professionalism Award given to a local attorney or judge. There's a Pro Bono Award issued, and the local chapter of the Lewis Martinet Society gives out an award as well. Each year, we find a speaker that best fits the theme. Given that the 2019 theme was Free Speech, Free Press, Free Society, we coordinated with Fox News pundit Ted Justice Williams to travel down from Washington, D.C. to speak at the 2019 ceremony. Mr. Williams is an attorney who frequently weighs in on police reform on Fox News. He has served as the attorney for the Fraternal Order of the Police in Washington, D.C., and is a successful criminal and civil practice representing judges, politicians, law enforcement officers, professional athletes, and many more. In past years, we have had speakers that include the local appellate chief judge, Judge Thibodeau, and notable constitutional law attorneys and law professors. The most fun part of the event by far is the poster and essay contest. The Young Lawyers section works with local schools, including public, private, and charter schools, to gather submissions. First, we must reach out to the school board for approval each year. Then we contact individual schools and counselors. This is best divvied up by committee. Once submissions are received by the counselors, members of the Young Lawyers section travel to each school to pick them up. Kindergarten through 5th grade students submit posters relating to the theme, and students from grades 6 to 12 submit actual essays. We recognize 3 students from each grade across all categories at the ceremony. This is a wonderful opportunity to get students excited about winning a medal. When recognized, they get to come to the front, receive their medal, and have their picture taken with the local Young Lawyers section members. After the ceremony, they're invited to take pictures with all the judges as well. I cannot stress to each of you just how fun and rewarding it is to grade these posters and essays. A lot of the younger children have hilarious drawings of how they interpret the theme, and some of the submissions provided by the older students make me excited to see what the future holds for those young scholars. The top essay honoree is invited to read their essay each year at the ceremony. At the conclusion of the ceremony, the local chief judge provides closing remarks, and everyone then goes to a luncheon. The annual Law Day, in addition to the fall court ceremony, provide excellent opportunities to informally network and meet members of the bar you typically wouldn't come across. If any of you would like additional information on the Southwest Louisiana Law Day ceremony, or if you wish to start or modify your own Law Day ceremony, I'll be more than happy to send you a copy of the playbook that we have developed. This includes the program, steps taken to reach out to award recipients in past years, information to reach the local school boards, first for permission to contact each school, as well as the letters that are then faxed to schools individually. We found the most success is reaching directly to counselors at every school. I can be reached via email at areed, A-R-E-E-D, at waltsanchez.com, WALTSANCHEZ.com. Again, my email address is areed@waltsanchez.com if anyone would like a copy of that playbook. Thank you guys very much for the opportunity to speak at this. Have a good day.